channel. I'm going to start baking today onwards. And I'm been waiting for this program since long time. And today I'm going to do it. I have named this program as Bake With Me. Okay. Before I start processing, I would like to show my cooking range. It's a wonderful stove, works with gas and electricity. It's a big stove around 3 into 2 feet. I have made many cakes in this. Cake comes out very well. It's a long lighter to on the oven and the grill. It has a lid to cover all the burners. So here I have 5 burners with all the buttons here and the timer. And now down we have oven and top we have grill. So we also have 2 racks. We can keep 100 cupcakes at a time. It's done oven, from there the flame comes. And now we have one more rack down. I keep all my baking vessels here, baking trays here. And these 3 buttons, one is for the grill and one is for the light, the other one is to on the stove. So we have different buttons here. And now this is timer, we can keep the time whichever time we want it. That's it. As a first cake, I'm going to show you milk sponge cake with pineapple flavor. It's very soft and spongy. The ingredients which we use for these cakes are 100 grams of sugar, 100 grams of flour, 100 grams of butter and oil together, 5 eggs, then 100 ml of milk, the food color I am using green, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda and half teaspoon salt and pineapple essence. I'll give the measurements in the description box, even you can see there. Let's start the process. First take milk and butter in one bowl. Boil them. After boiling the butter and the milk, now we need to add this oil also. And transferring it into one bowl. You can keep in the same bowl also. Now we need to get ready with the flour. So here I am sieving flour, mixing with baking powder, baking soda and salt. So when we are sieving, all 4 ingredients will mix up properly. If not, one more time you can just mix with your hand or with your spoon. I'm going to use this electrical beater to beat a whisk, and also this bowl. Whenever I make cakes, I'll use this. If you don't have electrical beater, you can even use this. And now let's start the process. So we need to take the egg white first. After you collect all the egg white, we need to start beating or whisking. We have to whisk it till we get like a foam. You can see here the egg white become like a foam, and now we have to transfer that into one bowl since we are going to use the same bowl. First we have to put this mixture that we already have made with the milk, butter and the oil. Now we have to add sugar little by little. The sugar actually I made it as a powder. I have put it in the mixie and made it powder. Then beat them nicely. Now we have to add this egg yolk. Start beating them. Now we have to use the essence for the flavor. So I am using the pineapple essence. So here I am using 1 tablespoon. Then we have to add the egg white that already we whisked and kept aside, and beat them nicely. Now add flour little by little, and we are not going to use the electrical beater now, and we are going to use this and mix it gently. I just want to add the color. It's a yellowish green since our cake is pineapple. So you can add this color before even you add the flour. Now I am going to transfer it into trays. We have to preheat the oven for 5 minutes in 175 degrees Celsius. Put it in the oven. Have to keep 45 minutes for cake to finish. Cake, you can see here, I am just opening it. Wow, cake has come very well. You can see it's so spongy and bouncing back. Let me cut it. Wow, it's so soft. You can see here it's so spongy and soft and bouncing back. Let's break it. You can see just like a sponge. Friends, I have done with the sponge milk cake with the pineapple flavor. Friends, thank you so much for watching till the end. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends, and comment if you have any doubts, and subscribe for more videos.